Hello friends, today I am going to explain sieve analysis of fine and coarse aggregate as per American Standard ASTM C136 and British Standard BS 410. First of all, what is sieve analysis? Sieve analysis is the particle size analysis using which we determine the amount of particles of different sizes present in the given sample of soil. Sieve analysis is done for coarse-grained soil only, which has mean size greater than 75 microns. It is not done for fine grains with mean sizes less than 75 microns. For fine grained soil, we use hydrometer techniques or pipette analysis for measuring their particle sizes. Sieve analysis uses a set of sieves. Sieves are wire screens having wire opening. Size of these openings gives the sieve their number, which is called sieve number. The detailed information about the sieve number is given in my previous video. The link of that video is also given in the description. Methods of sieve analysis. There are two methods of sieve analysis. One is dry sieve analysis and other is wet sieve analysis. For sieve analysis, we will take roughly 500 gram of soil. Keep in mind that it should not contain any lumps into it. If it contains lumps quantities, then make some grinding phenomena to remove them. We will take a weighing balance and take 500 gram of soil sample. We denote that weight by W. It is the total weight of the soil sample that we are taking, which is 500 gram. Now the sample is sieved through 4.75 mm sieve. The portion of the soil which retain on 4.75 mm sieve is termed as gravel fraction. The other portion of the soil which passes through 4.75 mm sieve is called sand fraction. In this way, coarse grained soil is divided into two categories. One is gravel with grain sizes greater than 4.75 and other is sand with grain sizes less than 4.75 mm. In this way, coarse grained soil is divided into two categories, gravel and sand. For sieve analysis of our sample, we need two set of sieves, one for the gravel fraction. In using these sieves, we will do dry sieve analysis. The other portion is for sand fraction. Using these sieves, we will perform wet sieve analysis. For gravel fraction, we need sieves having sizes 80 mm, 40 mm, 20 mm, 4.75 mm. These sieves are called set of coarse sieves because they are sieving coarse portion of the soil. Second set of the sieve is for sand fraction, consists of sieves of sizes 2 mm, 1 mm, 600 micron or 0.6 millimeter, 425 microns, 212 microns, 150 microns and 75 microns. You must know that 1000 microns are equal to 1 millimeter. This set of sieves is called set of fine sieves as it sieves finer part of the coarse soil. The sieves are placed one over the other with increasing their mesh openings from bottom to top, which means that sieve of larger opening is kept on the top and sieve with smaller opening is kept on the bottom. At the bottom most place the pan which has no opening. The soil sample is placed on the top of the sieve and a lid is placed to cover the arrangement of the sieve, and the whole assembly is placed on a mechanical shaker whose shaking time is 10 to 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, the arrangement is taken out and the amount of soil retained on each sieve is weighed on balance with the accuracy of 0.1 gram. These weights are W1, W2, W3, W4, W5 and W pan. Then we will calculate the percentage of soil retained on each sieve as the weight of retained soil on the sieve divided by total weight of the soil taken multiplied by 100. Let's suppose the percentage retained are P1, P2, P3, P4 and P pan. We will calculate them respectively. W1 divided by W multiplied by 100, W2, W3, W4 and up to so on. For drawing particle size distribution curve, we need two values. One is cumulative percentage retained and other is percent finer. First we will calculate the cumulative percentage retained. Let's write our calculation in tabular form. Cumulative percentage retained on any sieve is the percentage weight retained on that sieve plus the percentage weight retained on all the other sieves. Cumulative percentage retained on any sieve is the percentage of soil that could not pass the particular sieve. In other words, the portion of the soil has the greater size than the size of the opening of that sieve. In this way, we will calculate cumulative percentage retained on each sieve. Second value we need or we have to calculate is the percentage finer. Percentage finer, as the name suggests, is the percentage amount of soil which is finer than the particular sieve size. In other words, it is the pass of the particular sieve. Consider any sieve at this time, then the cumulative percentage retained is the weight of retained on that sieve divided by the total weight of the soil taken and multiplied by 100. And percentage finer is the weight of the total portion of the soil which is retained on all the other soil sieves below the particular sieve divided by total weight of the soil taken multiplied by 100. And percentage finer is the weight of the total portion of the soil which is retained on all the sieves below that particular sieve divided by total weight of the soil taken multiplied by 100. Percentage finer of any particular sieve is simply obtained by subtracting cumulative percentage retained on that sieve from 100% of the soil sample. Using these two values, we will calculate cumulative percentage retained and percent finer of each sieve. Using these two values, we plot a graph called particle size distribution curve. The whole procedure we have discussed is the dry sieve analysis. For wet sieve analysis, watch videos named Sieve Analysis Part 2 in the next session. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel if you want details related to every test of structure, irrigation and hydraulic structures, geotechnical engineering and transportation engineering. Thank you.